If you need to reconnect your Google Drive to Squarespace, I've got exactly what you need to know. So let's get it done. Okay, so first of all, to reconnect your Google Drive, you're going to have to go into Google Drive, okay? And you can access this by opening up Google Chrome. To the top right hand side, you'll have a little Google Apps menu, and you can look for it just in here. Now, once it's actually open, you can go up to the top right hand side, you'll see settings, and here you want to look for settings, and on the left you want to look for manage apps. You should find Squarespace within this list if you have previously connected to it. Look for options on Squarespace and click on disconnect from Drive. You can also have the option selected or unselected to delete hidden app data created by this app. I'm going to just disconnect it. I'm going to jump back into Squarespace. This is my website. And on the left-hand side, just under website, I'm going to look for pages. Here you are going to navigate to the area where your page is connected to your Google Drive. So I'm going to go into where it says new page title. This one over here is where I have my form. Now, if you go up to edit, you can click edit over here and you'll see this form, this block, which once you select it, you can go and click on the edit icon. And to the right, you can see there is storage, and you're going to go down to additional storage. Now you'll see currently Google Drive is connected. So just go ahead and click on it and click on disconnect. Now, once you've done this, you're going to repeat the process and just go and click on connect. You'll have the option to choose one of your Google accounts. So I'm going to choose the same Google account. I'm going to click on continue, and this will now effectively allow Google Drive to be connected to this form. So of course, all the information that's going into this form will be going onto a document within this Google Drive. And you'll see now you can just rename it. And if you're seeing this disconnect, this means that you have successfully reconnected.